Okay, hello. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm here to show you how to generate a mockup in Photoshop. All I did was to download this template from freepik.com. After downloading this template, I'll go to my layers here. The layers here, you have the number of things there. So I'll concentrate on this part which says your design. You double click and it gives you the open space, which is equivalent to what I've actually designed, the cover of a magazine. So I'll go to file, click on place embedded. It brings out the design that I've saved on a desktop. Double click, rearrange this, just position it properly and increase the size to cover the space. Enter and Control S, and that is it. Your mockup is ready. So please watch my channel, kindly subscribe